Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from Marinemax Venice. This is one of our trades. Actually, I took this one on trade myself. This is a very nice, low hour 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. So what we'll do, we'll go through some of the options on the boat. As you can see here, it's the blue hull color. Underneath the hardtop is blue, and this one has the ever so popular swim patio and or dive door. So the owner on this one, actually this came from the factory, I think, added the power pole right here. This one has the new style 225 V6s. All services up to date. Boat's very nice. About 179 lightly used hours on the boat. The 270 is a super popular boat. It's kind of a sport activity boat. It's a great family boat. It's a great fishing boat. You can still get in shallow water. Has excellent performance with the 225's. 150 gallon fuel tank equates to extremely good range. And I like this boat so much, I actually bought one myself. So I'm very familiar with it. So in the back, we've got built-in battery chargers, an option right there. Lots of deck space here. This one does have your fresh water system on it. In the back, part of the fish package is raw water wash down. And these V6s have incredible power to them. I really like mine. And also fuel economy. So self-bailing cockpit. And then up front, I've got the cushions off the boat right now, but you've got lounger cushions up here that go on. You've got backrest for both of them. As you can see, the boat's nice and clean. We just did a detail on it January 24. Up front, we've got our windlass here. You can drop this from up here, also from the helm. And then as we go back, you've got tons of storage in the garage. So this is an option as well. You got a cover for this and a cover for the console. But tons of room. This is also a full mooring cover, so it goes over the hardtop, covers the entire boat. So if you need a full mooring cover, this one's got it. JL audio sound system. What else does she have here? Simrad VHF radio, Fusion stereo. That's your vessel view right there. Simrad GPS chart plotter. And of course, we talked about the patio right here. Digital throttle and shift. This is going to be our controls here for our power pole. Underneath the console, we've got lots of cushions, but that's going to be your cover right there for the helm bench seat and the console. It does have a porta potty with dockside discharge. So to recap, super nice, super clean, Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. These are very popular models, and we've done extremely well with them. So this particular one's located at Marinemax Venice. And again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like some additional information on the boat, feel free to give me a ring. I'm very familiar with it. My number is 941-376-3345. And this is actually a Marinemax trade. So financing's available and trades are considered. Again, Jeremy Bradshaw, Marinemax Venice, 941-376-3345. Thanks again for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.